Off Leash K9 Training, Georgia, and I am here with Wendy. She's a 1-year-old black lab, and she's starting her 2-week board and train program today. Biggest goals the owners would like to achieve in this period of training is just better, more reliable obedience. She knows a few things, but she's not very consistent with distractions. She does like to jump just a little bit, and Dad would like to ultimately have her as a hunting dog, so they want to have them very reliable off leash, especially with recall. So let's go ahead and see what this girl knows so far. Wendy, here. Sit. Good. Down. 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 Heel. 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 Good. Heel. Good girl. Good girl. Wendy, sit. Down. Down. Okay. Wendy, place. 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 Alrighty. So it looks like she has a little bit of knowledge. Recalls there, sits there, heel a little bit as well, but no down, no place. She's very sweet. So the next couple of weeks, we're going to be working on all of her obedience and manners, getting that down solid, on leash and off leash with distractions. So check back with us in a couple of weeks and see Wendy's progress. Thanks. Good job.